Welcome to Quick Tips for Thinkorswim. I'm Connie Hill, Senior Manager and Education Coach at Schwab. Today's quick tip is using walk limit orders. What we discussed today is intended for education and information only. Do not consider it a recommendation. Options carry a high level of risk and are not suitable for all investors. Have you ever had a situation occur where you needed to change the limit price of an order, but the option price kept changing so quickly you just couldn't keep up? Well, a walk limit order could be a solution for you. A walk limit order is an order type that automatically changes the order price by canceling and replacing limit orders at successive price increments from start price to end price based on the price and time increments you set. Let's show you how this might work. Suppose we're interested in this 85 put. I'll select on the 294 price the ask to populate our limit order down below. We're going to change the order type from limit to walk limit, and as I do so, you're going to see some fields appear below the order. So it'll fill in here our 289 by 294 starting prices. You can change these to whatever you want. Let's leave it at 289 as a start, but let's suppose the maximum price we are willing to pay is $3.20. Then we're going to adjust the increments. So let's say after 5 seconds, if we don't get filled, let's suppose we want to increase the price by 3 cents. So we don't get filled at 289. It submits a new order for 292. And if it doesn't fill, after 5 seconds, it will increment the price again to 295. Now this will happen until you're filled or you hit your end price. If you hit your end price, it will stay out there active as a limit order until it's either filled, you cancel it, or the trading day comes to a close. Now you're going to notice there is a time frame here when this order type is available, 5 minutes after the opening bell till essentially 5 minutes before the closing bell. During these time frames, the confirm and send button will be enabled, allowing you to place those types of orders. Now you can go ahead and create your own walk limit orders.